Huh? Where are the girls?
Isn't it a lovely evening? Brought something very special here. One for you, and one for you. Drink up.
Nobody takes care of themselves anymore. I'm tired of finding gallstones, fatty kidneys and livers, tumors in the colon and all that stuff. You would think once in a while I could find something healthy to eat. An egg salad sandwich. Oh. Egg salad. Oh. Egg salad. Egg salad. Oh.
Nasty, nasty, nasty.
I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. You show up, bloody joy!
Repent! Repent!
I'm gonna have some beers and a sandwich.
Oh boy,
Look at this. Devil's Triumph.
What are you, a Ranger fan?
We gotta stop this. The Devils are winning.
It's hockey, it's hockey.
Hockey? I don't care about hockey.
You need to drink a lot of alcohol.
Alcohol?
Because you're decaying, you asshole!
Now I'm supposed to get a lot of alcohol. And I don't have any money.
She thinks she's so cute with her little yawns.
That calls me a loser.
And my beers are gone!
Keep your eyes on the road, your hands upon the wheel.
Sin is the #1 biggest of all unholy things that you can do. Remember, drinking the devil's juice will do nothing but bring you down that primrose path, straight into hell, where you will burn forever. And remember, alcohol is the devil's juice. You must stay away from that.
This guy doesn't know anything. I'm on a mission from heaven. I have to drink lots of alcohol so I don't decay.
She used my toilet and she messed up something bad. I can't even get a plumber to get near it.
Time to earn my pay.
You and your partner can take this pizza slice and mutilate each other until the sun comes up. Ha!
You look like shit! That's why I'm staying in your living room. Hey!
Sobriety is for mortals.